Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off automatic system updates on your Google Pixel phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your phone to open up the settings menu. This is where you can access all the important configurations for your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled About Phone and tap on it. This section contains important information about your device, including its software version and other technical details. Now, within the About Phone section, you need to locate the build number option. Once you find it, tap on it 7 times in quick succession. You might see a message appear saying something like "You are now a developer" or "Developer mode has been enabled." This unlocks a hidden menu that gives you access to advanced settings that aren't normally visible to regular users. After enabling developer mode, go back to the main settings menu. From there, tap on the system option. This is where you'll find various system-level settings and configurations for your Pixel phone. Next, scroll down through the system menu until you see developer options and tap on it. This is the special menu you just unlocked by tapping the build number 7 times, and it contains advanced features that give you more control over how your phone operates. Inside the developer options, you'll need to find the setting called Automatic System Updates. This feature is responsible for downloading and installing system updates automatically without your permission, which can sometimes be inconvenient if you prefer to manage updates manually. Once you've located Automatic System Updates, simply tap the toggle button beside it to turn it off. This will disable the automatic update function, giving you full control over when and how your device updates its system software. And that's it. You've now disabled automatic system updates on your Google Pixel, meaning your phone will no longer install updates without your explicit permission. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.